Hey YouTube, Steve from Vegas Westside Shooters here, and I'm bringing today to you a new video on a purchase I recently made. This is the Mossberg 590A1, and it's the version that comes with the collapsible adjustable stock, the pistol grip, the extended magazine tube with the 20-inch barrel. So this bad boy actually holds 8 rounds in the magazine tube and 1 in the chamber for 9 total rounds. It also has the Picatinny rail on the bottom if you want to put a vertical grip on there, and has the Picatinny rails on both sides. I'm going to mount a Streamlight flashlight on there, and then it also has pretty cool, hopefully you can see this here, let's see, ghost ring sights there, and a orange front. It's a blade front sight with an orange insert in it, which makes for a really nice sight picture. So I'm excited about this. This is going to be my main home defense weapon for my home in Idaho, because you can fire buckshot or slugs or birdshot through it. It's pretty versatile, and 8+1 rounds I think is going to pretty much stop any threat. I feel pretty confident with that. And putting a flashlight on it mounted will be good for anything going on at night. So I'm going to mount the flashlight, and we're going to take it out to the range and shoot some targets and see how it goes with buckshot and slugs, and we hope you stick with us. Okay, we're out at the range with the Mossberg 590A1 tack with the pistol grip and the adjustable buttstock, and the Streamlight is already attached on the rail. So first we're going to shoot 5 rounds of rifled slugs from approximately 15 yards and see how those ghost sights work. So let's get to work. Range is hot. Alright, I don't think I can complain about that. Looks like we've got 5 shots grouped into just a couple inches. I'll measure them back in the garage, but as far as the slugs go, at 15 yards with these pretty awesome ghost ring sights here that you can see, I'm not getting rifle accuracy, but I'm definitely hitting somebody in the torso from 15 to 20 yards. So let's load up some buckshot and see how it goes. Alright, I loaded up some fiocchi double-aught buck, 5 rounds, and let's see what that does to Birchwood Casey's zombie butcher back there. Range is hot. Alright, I don't think that zombie butcher's getting up anytime soon. I'm really going to say that I think the Mossberg 590A1 remains a really viable home defense option. With buckshot or slugs, it was plenty accurate. It doesn't malfunction. I mean, a pump shotgun is probably one of the most reliable firearms you can find. I really like those ghost ring sights for a quick sight picture, and I'm really excited to put this into action as part of my home defense strategy. So, Steve from Vegas Westside Shooters, thanks a lot for watching. Hope you liked the video.